Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox this Rubik's cube. This is the golden color and this one is available on Amazon and Flipkart. All the links will be provided in the description below. Do check that out. And as you can see guys, this is the magic golden mirror cube 3x3. So now let's unbox it. So guys, this is the packing and I'll just cut its wrap. So guys, this is the magic cube. So I'll just open it up. So guys, this is the golden magic cube. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. This is Balu and I hope to see you in my next video.